on, guys? This is going to be a video for those of you that do not know what's inside my bagpipe case. As most of you know, that I do have a bagpipe case. Open it up. I play a set of shepherds with a cowhide bag, and here they are, nice and snug inside the bag. Lucky because I don't have to take my drone tops off to put the stuff inside. These are my Gibson Fireside small pipes. Can't play those because there's a hole in the bag. Chainer protection tube. Spare blowpipe without a valve. Sweet. Can't have a blowpipe without a valve. R.G. Hardy long practice chainer. These back in there. I also have nickel mounts and ferrules with imitation ivory ring caps. That's the main compartment. Although I use a poly chainer too. She's all closed up. That side, let's take a look inside the main pocket. Maybe I don't have to. If I can find the zipper. Oh, there it is. Let's take a look in here. Now, piping metal from when I got promoted up to grade 4 from the practice chain competition. And Dunedin, I'm sure a few of you guys were there too. A couple rolls of hemp. Scattered around. A handy dandy little ballpoint pen for my pipe major to write in my little notebook. Spare pipe chainer reed. And finally, my little notebook. Close that up. I don't have anything in the other pockets, so this is my what's inside my bagpipe case video. Thank you for watching.